Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Fan Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen C20 Caddy Cargo. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 102 PS. The vehicle also comes equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour pure grey, and across the front of the vehicle we'll find a colour coordinated front bumper complete with a set of front parking sensors. This Caddy sits on a set of 15-inch steel wheels that come with a handsome full wheel trim cover set. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a set of rear loading cargo doors. Across the doors we'll find some Caddy badging, and helping you park and manoeuvre is also a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the doors and taking a look into the load area, this Caddy comes fully ply lined, as well as having a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access to the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle, where there's a single sliding door. A small step allows easy access, and there is a black bulkhead separating the load area from the cab. Up front in the driver's cab itself we'll find two singular seats with an Ergo comfort seat for the driver. There's an armrest on the driver's seat, and in the centre console there's a storage compartment and two cup holders. Moving over, in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to access all your favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature, allowing you to use your smartphone device with the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath this we'll find some touch buttons allowing you to access climate and parking assist menus. Moving over, in front of the driver we'll also find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Plus. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.